Hello everybody, my name is Soumya Dismana. I'm a psychologist and today I'm going to talk about depression. As it is Suicide Prevention Day, so depression is the most relevant topic. The major cause of suicide is depression. So we need to understand what depression exactly is. It is different from stress. Simple stress is experienced by everybody. Everybody has some amount of stress in his or her life. But if this stress is causing significant impairment in day-to-day life, in your daily routine activities, then it may be considered depression. And for this, we need to diagnose it properly. If if this impairment in day-to-day life persists for around 2 weeks, then it is the condition of depression. For example, there could be changes in sleeping pattern, changes in appetite, and the person feels no pleasure in the activities which he once enjoyed. So these kind of significant impairment, indicates the condition of depression. Now we see that people generally they don't like to seek a mental health professional because they think that if they visit a mental health professional, a psychologist or a psychiatrist, then people will consider them mad, or people will talk about them, they won't like them. So generally people they don't like to visit a mental health professional. So we need to change this stigma, we need to remove this stigma attached to mental illness. And as an aware person, everybody has to do it, everybody should do it. So if you see anybody around you who has some symptoms of depression, whether it is mild, severe or moderate, you should always encourage them to seek a mental health professional and to seek therapy, because it is very important. In some cases, in moderate to severe cases, the person experiences suicidal thoughts. He has this tendency. So in this condition, a psychotherapy is very important. So if you see somebody who has this condition, be it your family member or friend or neighbor or anybody, any of your near and dear ones, please help them, talk to them, give them support, emotional support, and encourage them to seek psychotherapy. It is very important. And we should not ignore mental health, because mental health is a component of health. Health is not simply the absence of disease. As we see the definition of health according to WHO, that health is a condition of complete physical, mental and social well-being, not just the absence of disease. It is a very simple definition, but it clearly indicates that mental health is a component of health. So we should not ignore it. And whenever you see anybody who is suffering from mental illness, the symptoms of depression, then you should always encourage them. There's nothing to hesitate about. Whenever we have some physical problems like cold, fever, we go to a doctor, we go to medical store without hesitation. So the same way, we should not get hesitated when we go to a mental health professional. And in this pandemic condition, there are so many platforms. You can seek online psychotherapy through phone. You can seek this. So it's it has become easier for you. Sitting in your room, in your home, you can talk to a psychotherapist through phone, through telephone. There are so many therapists who talk to the patient, to the client through phone, and they get a very good therapy through phone. So you can do it. You can also do it if you don't want to go out. And in this condition, I think nobody should go. Social distancing is required. So you can seek help, seek therapy through telephone or through any other platform, whichever you like. So please don't ignore and seek help. Your life is not worthless. So whenever you see anybody around you whose life has changed significantly. For example, his sleeping patterns have changed, like he's sleeping too much or he's sleeping too little, or his appetite has changed, he eats too much or he eats too little. Or if you see that the person wants to sleep all the time, or he or she just wants to be on bed all the time, he doesn't want to go out and do something, he feels laziness and he doesn't find any pleasure in any activity. So this is the indication of depression, and in this condition you should not ignore this condition. You should always encourage the person, you should always motivate the person, give him emotional support, and encourage him to go to a psychotherapist and seek help. If the person has suicidal thoughts, sometimes the person doesn't tell you directly that he wants to die or he wants to commit suicide. He will tell you passively, like, I wish I sleep and never wake up. So in this way, he is telling you passively that he wants to die. He has no pleasure in his life, and he feels that his life is worthless and he wants to die. So these conditions, you should not ignore such sentences if somebody says that. So always you can seek help, and psychotherapy definitely helps. In some cases a few sessions help. In some cases there are longer sessions. Some people take long sessions, long duration, like sometimes in some cases 6 to 7 months are required, but it helps and we can save a life. So if you see anybody in depression in these conditions, even a mild condition, even a mild depression should be treated, because if it is left untreated, then it may convert into severe depression. And in severe condition, the symptoms are very so severe that you can't control them, and the person definitely gets suicidal thoughts. So please help them, help yourself, and you can get help from a psychotherapist, from a psychiatrist. As I said, that in suicidal thoughts or in the condition of severe depression, the need of medication is also important. Need of medication is there, and without medication only psychotherapy can't help, because in those severe symptoms medication is very important. So both things go hand in hand. You need both things together, because medication alone can't help. With medication you need psychotherapy also. So please help your near and dear ones. If you see anybody in depression, if you see that somebody is in depression, then please help them and tell them that life is not worthless. Thank you.